Doctor, I bring in all the wishes and greetings and on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Jayati
Thank you.
Tripathi for scoring
Yes, sir.
topmost rank of number 6 of
Thank you so much, sir.
in DM Pathology group for DM Oncopathology.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations to you, Doctor. Best wishes, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
And can you share some brief background about yours, where you started your medicine and your career so far?
Sir, I joined MBBS from Chhattisgarh Institute of Medical Sciences, Bilaspur. Then I joined MD Pathology from MLB Medical College, Jhansi. Then, sir, after doing 1 year of SRship, I realized that I just want some more knowledge. So, in that quest, I just found out that Speed is the only coaching which is providing us with this DM pathology course. So, I joined this course. And last year, sir, you must have forgotten, but I gave you the interview. So, it was
Yes.
45th rank last year.
Correct.
Okay. So I had just promised you that, sir, I will be preparing with double enthusiasm next year. So I hope that I have fulfilled my wishes and I have lived up to your expectations also, sir.
100%.
So last year, sir, I just realized that there was a problem with revision. I just couldn't complete 2 revisions properly. So this year, just as you have been saying that 5 revisions are a must. So I just want to tell all the aspirants who are just wishing to go for this, that revision is a must. If you are just trying for this, so the very first step will be determination. Once you have decided that you have to prepare, then just keep on revising. And the Speed app is having all the necessary material. You just don't have to look anywhere else.
Very good, Doctor. Excellent. And can you tell me how that rank of 45 migrated to 6? What all you did during this time?
Yes, sir. Actually, this 1 year of preparation was just pure hard work, sir. I just realized that 4 to 5 hours are not enough. So I just had a job of 8 to 2. So after 2 p.m., I had just enough time in my hands. So I just make sure that I utilize all the time. And on weekdays, it was just 8 to 10 hours. And on Sundays or Saturdays, whenever I had my offs, so I just made sure that I prepare for at least 15 to 16 hours. And whatever I was preparing, I just still, you may find it funny that all my walls were filled with write-ons and everywhere they were stuck, that whenever I was even walking, so I just made sure that I come across whatever I just tend to forget. So those key points I used to write in front of me, that whenever I'm even doing my daily work or I'm just standing idle, sometimes you just get tired. So for those 5 to 6 minutes, I just used to see those notes and revise them. So that was very helpful. And last year, sir, I just could not complete Kanyappan sir's notes, all of them. So I just realized that this year also, it was just somewhat above the basic level. Last year, it was just exit level only. But this year, in fact, it was tougher than that. So had I not done those notes, I would not have been able to make it through. So some updates had come, and I remember how in the month of March, I had messaged you and you very promptly responded that, okay, doctor, we will conduct the sessions and whatever you want. So that was so helpful of you, sir. And it was just on our part to do hard work. Everything was provided from your side, and we just had to put in the hard work.
Very nice, Doctor. Now, can you tell me how many questions did you attend this exam?
Sir, actually, in our field, the seats were so less that I was just walking very safe. I thought that if I just go for 150 questions, maybe that I just get them wrong. So 136 questions I had attempted. Out of them, I think I got 120 to 123 right. So the extra ones which I attempted, they were just like where I was having confusion between the 2 options. Rest of them I left, sir, because some of them were risky to be attempted. Actually, I could go in negative also. So I just attempted those many only.
Very good, Doctor. Now, what is the message that you want to convey for the future aspirants of DM pathology to super speciality?
Yes, sir. To begin with, actually, when I also started preparing, many people told me that yours is a terminal branch. Why do you want to prepare all those stuff? But I think once you have determined, once you have made your mind, you should not walk away from that. So after that, what remains to be done is putting your hard work. And once you start toiling hard, it becomes a habit. So 8 to 10 hours of study daily would suffice. And for the next 1 year, ample time is there in your hands. So those who are aspiring to get into that, join Speed app, and grand tests are must. In those last 3 months when you have prepared everything. So self-assessment is also necessary. And for me, sir, those 20 days when the exam got extended, they were boon. They just proved to be boon for me because 3 more tests were uploaded by Speed app. So I solved them, and in 2 of them, I remember I got rank 1. So I just remembered that you had told us that that rank is also an assessment of how you will be performing in the final exam. So all these things are mandatory. And pathology is such a vast subject that we cannot cover it up all on our own. Basics we have done, we know everything, but how much is important, how much is to be retained for the day of exam, that is what is told to us by the teachers. And especially grant tests make you realize what are your weak points, and we can emphasize on them more, and keep on practicing the questions. And one more thing, sir, that I just found it very helpful. I just jotted down some important questions also, which I found tough, because every time you can't go back to the app and solve the questions once again. So whatever questions I found important, I just jotted them down on a separate diary. So having your own notes is very beneficial while you are revising in the last 3 or 4 months.
Very nice, doctor. Now it's time to thank whom all you want to thank who helped you to make your career so far. You can do so in this time.
Actually, sir, from the very beginning, my parents have been the strongest support. And my mama, unfortunately, she's not with us now, but she keeps on blessing us. My father still, he is the supporting pillar. But this time in the DM preparation, my husband proved to be really so much helpful. I just want to thank him wholeheartedly because he himself is a pathologist. I asked him, why don't you prepare with me? He told me, no, you prepare. I will support you. And whatever topics I was finding tough, he just taught me also some of the stuff, because we can't, sometimes I just used to give him some responsibility. You watch this video from Speed Up and just later on tell me what all did you see. So all these things, and helping me out in every possible way he could. So I am just thankful to him this time also. And my father has always been there for me, and all the family members and all the Speed staff, especially all the staff is very helpful. Whenever we find any query, we just message them and they are just responding in a fraction of seconds. They just respond to us, they come back to us. And you also, sir, in the month of March, I remember how my classes got started, because I thought that, oh, pathology classes, will they be conducted or not? You just asked me what all you want to get conducted, doctor, and just convey us. So I just told you all the important things, and you just made sure that all those classes are held. So Kanyappan sir's lectures and last year Madhupriya ma'am's lectures, they were all very beneficial, sir.
Great, doctor. Very nice to get your positive feedback, and faculties will be really happy listening to you.
I'm really very thankful, sir, because for students like us who are just in the periphery, I just want to tell all those also who are just trying from and thinking that we are in the periphery, how can we make it? So Speed App is the one which will help you sail through, because we just are in centers, sir, where we don't have much practical exposure. So all these things just are getting covered by Speed App. So we get to know what all advancements are being made in the medical science field, because we don't get that exposure now. We are living in just not that periphery area, but an area, but yes, it's not metropolitan city also. So the institute like ours just was like, I just thought that this would be the best way to prepare. So I joined an 8-to-2 job. So those who are having less time in hands also, they should also make sure that in the last 15 to 20 days, they take leave and prepare wholeheartedly. That would also suffice if you have prepared everything twice.
Very good, doctor. Excellent. Congratulations. Once again, I bring in all the wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. My pleasure.
Team of Speed.
Thank you, sir.
For a great career in DM Oncopathology.
Thank you so much, sir. And whenever I find any query, I would get back to you once again to bother you.
Sure. Always.
Okay, sir.
Always, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for always being there for us, sir. We students are really very grateful to you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.